Hi, I'm Margie Connolly, the law office of Margaret M. Connolly, PLLC. And I know we talk a lot about the importance of having estate plan documents and getting them in place to have peace of mind. But today I'd like to ask a slightly different question. Have you reviewed your estate plan documents lately? Because every time a significant life change happens, such as marriage, divorce, children, grandchildren, buying or selling property, or deaths, you need to review and update your estate documents. And if you don't, they won't protect you and your family the way you need them to. Let me give you an example. I'm going to tell you a story. The names have been changed. Bob inherited some real estate from his grandmother, and later on, he married Carol and added her as an owner on the rental property. All very well and good until Carol ran away to California with her yoga instructor. Bob got an offer to sell the rental property for a really good price, but there are problems. The title company wanted Carol present at the closing since she's an owner, and the buyer wants to close in 3 days, way too soon to get Carol back from California. So right now, Bob is stuck. Carol controls the sale. Any legal solution requires her to agree to give Bob a power of attorney for the sale. Plus, the title company will still probably issue the check to both of them, as it remains community property. Inherited property typically is separate property of the person who inherited it. So what could Bob have done to prevent this situation from causing havoc in his life? So there were two possible solutions. One, Bob's attorney could have set up a separate trust for the rental property when he inherited it, and that way he could have kept it separate. Or before Bob and Carol got married, Bob's attorney could have drawn up a prenuptial agreement to keep the property separate, and then Carol wouldn't have been involved in the sale of the property in any way, shape, or form, even if she had still been at home married to Bob. So these are just a couple of possible solutions and just an example of what can happen if you have a significant life change and things don't get reviewed and put into place to adapt to your new life situation. So my recommendation is with all significant life changes, or every 3 to 5 years anyway, revisit, review your documents and make sure they still fit your individual situation, your needs, and your desires for your assets, your family, and your future. I'm Margie Connolly with the law office of Margaret M. Connolly, PLLC. And while we can't predict what the future will bring, we can protect the legacy we will leave. Thank you.